Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another first impression video, and it's from the house of Tom Ford, and there's no other than Tom Ford Costa Azzurra. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about it. It's coming right up. Today's video, we're going to talk about a fragrance of 2014. It is Tom Ford Costa Azzurra. I was looking around in Sephora and I didn't know they even had that fragrance there. Last time I got a sample, I was at Nordstrom and they had it there. I didn't really see it before at Sephora, but now they carry it, or maybe they didn't. I never saw it. Anyway, I like the bottle presentation. It's really nice, beautiful. Shout out to Sephora. They were the one that gave me a couple samples. There are some other fragrances. This is a sponsored video by Sephora. The ladies there and the men that work there are very nice. They're willing to help you out if you're not sure about fragrances or guide you through the right fragrance that might be you need in your life. Let's go there, test out some fragrance, see what you like. I think usually I like to get 2 samples there. So it's really nice. They fill up a good amount so you can go home and test out and see if you like it. Majority of the time you would like it, and like I did, I went back and bought a bottle later, or I went somewhere else and found a discounter. So don't be afraid to go there and just ask questions. Hey, everybody doesn't know everything. So, shout out to Sephora for that. And let's break down some of the notes. This is a 2004 Tom Ford Costa Azzurra, and the price for it on fragrancenet.com is, for a 1.7 ounce bottle, is $107, and the 3.4 ounce is $146. And they have a 30% code right now where you go there, you click on it for the first time, and then you get a discount. I think you have to type in your email address and you get a discount on it. So it's really not bad at all, especially for 30% off pretty much any fragrance they have on their website for first-time customers. If you want to go the retail route, it's kind of expensive. You're looking at $148 for a 1.7 ounce is $235, and the big 8.4 ounce, the big boy, is $605. Pretty steep. Let's break down some of the notes. We have green, seaweed, dirt wood, or driftwood. Sorry about that. Musk, cardamom, juniper, lavender, incense, vanilla, vetiver, and oak. So when I initially sprayed this fragrance, a little sample here. I get like a very sea salt type of vibe where it's like near the sea and stuff like that. Very green too, very fresh, very clean. I get some of the incense in this fragrance here. Very fresh, very clean. The only thing I heard about this fragrance here, which I read reviews and people talk about, that other viewers said that some people said it doesn't last that long in your skin. I have to try it out a few times. I did spray it a couple times, like at the stores, and went home and I still smelled it. But actually living with the fragrance for a couple days and testing, I have to do that. That video will be coming up shortly, ladies and gentlemen. But so far I do like the fragrance. I like it. It's very fresh, very clean. Has that very sea salt type of vibe where I'm at the shore and I'm kind of feeling like I smell like the sea and the water and stuff. It's very nice, very pleasing, very fresh, very clean. I can't really see nobody not liking this fragrance. It's either they really like it or they say it's nice. I don't see this offensive at all, just because it's a very fresh and clean fragrance. And I really like it a lot. I do. I mean, the price is kind of steep. I might just have to go online and buy the small bottle for about $107, because it's really nice Tom Ford fragrance. The bottle presentation is very gorgeous. If you haven't seen it, please go to www.tomford.com and check it out, or just type in Tom Ford Costa Azzurra and you'll see the beautiful bottle. It's like a light kind of bluish. It's really nice, or kind of like, I guess, kind of a dark blue, but then it's kind of like not dark, but like in the middle. But it's really nice though, and I do like it. I think if it projects in longevity pretty good on my skin, excuse me, I might have to buy a bottle of it. I know Tom Ford fragrances really don't last that long. A lot of them don't. Thanks for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you heard of Tom Ford Costa Azzurra 2014 fragrance, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you heard of it and if you do like the fragrance. If you haven't tried it, you want to try it, please let me know down below. What is your favorite Tom Ford fragrance? Please leave a comment below. This video is about to end. If you guys like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways, all I ask you to do is click the subscribe button, support my channel. I appreciate that. We'll take it a step further. Hit the like button, let you know you like my kind of content so I can make more content. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, that's awesome. If you do subscribe, please leave a comment below, know you subscribe. So when I upload new videos and stuff, you'll be the first one to get in your feed with the bell icon. And I'm definitely going to put your name in the next fragrance giveaway once you subscribe to the channel. Just leave your name down below, letting me know. That giveaway is coming up really soon. I'm just trying to pick what fragrances that I want to give people. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. Until my next fragrance video, bye.